Well, good morning. Day 2 of Ouachita Trail, Section 10, Slack Pack. I parked at the parking area over here on Highway 10. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. And now I'm walking down the highway here. I'm gonna have to cross over this little gnarly narrow bridge area here. It's coming up right here, so see what that's all about. It's a cool morning, but the sun's out and should be an exact copy of yesterday. My feet, I have to admit, my feet are a little banged up. Feet are a little banged up this morning after yesterday. A lot of rocks on this trail. The terrain is great, but the rocks, just like over on the Oklahoma side, they are everywhere, and every step is on a rock. So I'm trying to get out of here before these, I don't like these speeding cars going by me, 4 or 5 feet away from me. Not my idea of fun. Okay, all right. An old sign. Okay, looks like there's a little road here, so I'm just gonna follow it. It's a pretty lake, very pretty lake. It's about 9:30. My brother's gonna pick me up in the same spot he did yesterday and then drive me back to my truck. So I told him about 12:30. So 12:30, between 12:30 and 1:30, give myself plenty of time. That's based on a 2-mile-an-hour average. I move faster than that, probably 2.5 miles, but I just want to give myself plenty of time. It's easy to wait, it's harder to catch up. So anyway, that's all I know to report on this morning. It is windy and it's kind of chilly, but oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty out there. 21 miles. Well, I did 12 miles yesterday, almost 13, 12 and a half, I guess. So just looking to go about 9, and that should be it for section 10. Man, these rocks. Actually, it's not my feet that hurt, like the soles of my feet, it's my ankles having to bend so much. So I want to kind of make sure I don't hurt myself between now and Friday when we're going to do that at section 8. But just take it, I guess, slow and cautious. Should be fine. Look at that. More up here. Got to watch out for those danger noodles. You never know where they're hiding around this kind of area. Oh man, let's see what we got here. Here, there, and there. Kind of in the low water boggy areas here. Oh, look at this. See any blue blazes, but walk around the side of this mess. All right, there's a trail right over here. Nasty mud. All right, y'all, 203, going all the way to 211. So, what's that, 8 miles? 8.5. So, I guess I'm about a half mile in, something like that. Just cruising right along. Highway 113 crossed for now. Foot traffic only. All right, let's get in the woods and get off the road. All right. Look what we have here. We have ourselves a little waterfall. Okay, make sure no snakes. Flows on down into the pond. And I'm gonna cross this right about here. Boy, look at all that. You know, in the spring and summer, there are snakes out here by the truckloads. Okay, where's my trail? Oh, right here. Well, here's a pond, and water flows into it right over here. Just kind of looks kind of low, but I'm walking around the edge of the pond. All right, the trail says it's gonna switch. It's gonna go right down here. And there goes the pond. All right, back down through here. Man, this is just some marshy, yucky stuff, man. I don't know. I could see this stuff just getting washed out. This part of the trail just getting washed out. Going down here. Oh, you had to take a detour because of that gap there. So, I thought that was a little odd. And then we get back up. And here's the pond again. There you go. I'm not sure I would get water out of there. Looks kind of not so great. Got ourselves another little pond. Again, not something I'd go get water from, but well, it's kind of pretty, I guess. All right, moving on down the trail now. Looks like I have to go down this without busting my butt. All right. Moving along okay. There are a bunch of water crossings, and I just do not want my feet to get wet. Go this way, because hiking in wet socks is no fun. All right, actually climbing a hill for a change. Maybe this will get me out of the bayou area and into some other terrain, prettier terrain. But okay, so far so good. All right, 206, and from 206 you can almost see the bridge. It's just around that little peninsula that jets out, and Highway 10 just runs right back on the other side there. Can't get a complete view of the bridge. It's blocked out a little bit, but it's just behind there. So let's see, that's about 3.5 miles at 206. So where's the trail? Oh. It's hard to follow this trail. I mean, look at this. It's tough to see with all these leaves. But next stop is 207, and that'll leave me about 5 miles, no, 4 miles, 4.5 to 211, or 211 and a half, something like that. So far so good. Just moving on down the trail. Okay, I think somewhere up north they had this thing called the world's largest ball of yarn. Well, it's probably just from National Vacation Chevy Chase movie. But here in Arkansas, we have the world's largest pile of sawdust. And it's right here on the Ouachita Trail. That's pretty impressive. I just wonder how long it's been there. That's something else. Okay, still looking for mile marker 207. Still a little ways away, I think. Where in the heck is my trail? My gosh, it is so easy to lose the trail through here. And I gotta figure out how to best cross this creek. So let's go down here, see some rocks. This probably looks like the best route to go. Crap, man. My big fear is snakes. Those little guys will ruin your day. All right. I don't see any snakes in here. So we will step across there. These rocks are a little slick. Here. There we go. Okay. Well, I cannot find mile marker 207. I'm pretty sure I passed it by this point. I'm just walking down this old logging road. A lot of this section you do follow these old roads. You see this. It's great for your feet. Level, soft, so I'm digging it. But I'm pretty sure I missed 207. Now I'm looking for 208. Just past 208 though, I think is the Penny Campsite Spur Trail. And I'm not gonna go up the spur to the campsite since I'm not camping. But I do wanna get to that point and eat lunch. So right around 208, and that'll leave me 3.5 miles to Highway 300 where I ended yesterday. I'll end there again today. So, look at this. I'm gonna follow this little, I don't know what this is. Looks like a levee. Certainly looks man-made. But anyway, that's where I'm gonna end up today. I'm not sure what time it is. I told my brother between 12:30 and 1:30, something like that. Probably moving a little slower than I was yesterday. My legs are a little sore, but all in all, I'm feeling pretty good. My ankle was really sore this morning, but it is gotten better once I started moving around. It's still a little tender, but not like it was before. All right, this is like the 1000th stream crossing today. So just marching on, and I guess I'll see you around 2000 mile marker 208. Oh, and it's New Year's Eve. Nice time to be on the trail, especially given the weather. This weather is just spot on. Look at this. Just go straight down this road or whatever. Man, he couldn't ask for easier hiking. I'll tell you what, I'll take it every time. I think this is Reese Creek, and I gotta figure out how to get across it. There's this thing here, a cable. Man. Huh. Well. Figure this one out. How about up here? I see two rocks, and I can use my trekking pole as a I don't know if my reach is that long. Crap. Okay, one foot's definitely going to get wet here. Where to put it though? think right there, 1 foot in, this rock is really stable, so it's gonna be a, there we go. All right, well done, me. That was okay. I'll take that. Foot got a little wet, but just damp, really. So, cool. This is getting ridiculous. It's like every 100 yards, you're running into a water crossing of some sort. Okay, where to put your feet? There, and then here, and then here, and then there. All right. Whew. Okay, here we go again. You just never know what kind of rocks you're going to be able to step on. Some of them are pretty solid, others are iffy. All right, Blue, where are you? Okay, there you are. We're still good, not lost. The spur trail ought to be just anywhere near here. I passed 208, didn't see it either. So I'm between 208 and 209 now, but there should be a spur trail to the Penny campsite, and that's what I'm looking for now. I want to get something to eat. Take a few minutes and eat. All right, here's a blue blaze. I guess it's going this way. Well, maybe not. Hang on. Why is it pointing this way? It's pointing this way, so it's like you'd be coming down here. Oh man. All right, let me go check all trails. Hang on. Penny campsite. 0.9. No water. There's the spur. I'm going this way. I am going to take a break and eat. Well, had a good lunch back there at the Penny campsite spur trail, and I'm been moving along following this old logging road, Forest Service road, whatever, and I believe this is going to be the trail all the way to Highway 300. I think they just went ahead and took this road and made it into the trail. You see the change of direction here. So I believe I go this, yeah, I have to go this way. It's about 12:30. Told my brother to pick me up about between 12:30 and 1:30. It's gonna be obviously closer to 1:30. I don't know why I'm moving slower today. I don't know why. Yesterday I was doing pretty well. Maybe it's just, you know, fatigue. Probably is. So, but I'm still averaging about 2.5 miles an hour, so I should be at the parking lot he's picking me up at in about an hour. So just moving on through. Okay, back on Highway 300, going down here to the pickup area. There's some cars. Ah, there's somebody. That ain't my brother. What the heck? Think there's some fellow hikers though. I bet you anything. Yep. Yeah, they are. Looks like we got some other people out on section 10 today. Backpackers, probably. Okay, a bicycle. Yeah, they're out riding bikes. All right. All right. I guess I'll text my brother.